Hey beauties, it's me Monalika. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I am going to share with you how to control dandruff and hair falls naturally. So, let's get started. First of all, you will need to know what is dandruff. Dandruff, those dry white flakes of skin you brush off your collar or shoulders, is harmless, but it can be embarrassing and itchy. Dandruff really isn't about your hair or how often you wash it. Instead, it's about the skin on your scalp. Skin cells that grow and die off too fast are the problem. Exactly why that happens isn't clear. A very common fungus called Malassezia may contribute dandruff. This fungus lives on the scalp of most healthy adults without causing any problems. One theory is that the immune system of someone with dandruff may overreact to that fungus. Now let's talk about what causes dandruff. Although the root cause of dandruff will always be the same, other factors can exacerbate the condition, making it seem worse. Factors which can worsen dandruff include irritated and oily skin can be caused by conditions such as seborrheic dermatitis. Seborrheic dermatitis is marked by red and greasy skin that is covered in flaky white or yellow scales. The condition can affect your scalp and other areas of the body which are rich in oil glands, such as the creases around your nostrils, the backs of your ears, the groins and armpits. If you suffer from dry skin or have a medical condition such as eczema, it is likely that your scalp will also become dry, flaky and probably also very itchy. Flakes due to dry skin usually appear smaller and less oily. Dry skin can be exacerbated in colder climates and during winter due to dry weather conditions. If you don't wash your hair on a regular basis, then oils and skin cells can build up on the scalp leading to dandruff. Male hormones, also known as androgens, can also cause greasy or oily skin which can lead to dandruff. However, shampooing too often can dry out the scalp and cause dandruff. It is recommended that you shampoo every other day to maintain a healthy balance. Brushing your hair irregularly can also increase your chances of having dandruff, as a buildup of dead skin occurs on the scalp. Conversely, heat and dry air can dry the scalp and make dandruff appear worse. Air pollution can also contribute to dandruff, as chemicals which are circulating in the air can affect the skin and cause irritation or allergic reactions on the skin and scalp, which can cause dandruff. An unbalanced diet also causes dandruff. However, eating foods which are rich in zinc, vitamin B and fats can help you prevent dandruff from developing. Stress can worsen any skin condition and impair your immune system. Although the microbe Malassezia is already present on everyone's scalp, it can thrive once the immune system becomes compromised or impaired, leading to the development of dandruff. It is important to incorporate some relaxation methods into your daily routine to reduce stress levels and improve scalp health. Dandruff itself isn't a fungus. However, it is caused by the presence of Malassezia globosa, a naturally occurring fungus. This fungus is present on everyone's scalp and breaks down oils known as sebum. A byproduct of this reaction is oleic acid. It is estimated that 1 in 2 people globally are sensitive to oleic acid. The scalp reacts by becoming irritated and increasing the skin cells' renewal rate, which then shed in the form of white flakes. Dandruff is the shedding of dead skin cells from the scalp. It is a chronic condition that causes itching and flaking of the scalp. and if untreated, it can make the scalp itchy and inflamed, causing temporary hair loss. The good news is once you have treated your scalp, the hair will probably grow back. While dandruff itself is not associated with hair loss, certain underlying medical conditions such as psoriasis may cause hair loss. Let's discover home remedies to remove dandruff. By restoring the pH balance of the scalp, apple cider vinegar inhibits the growth of yeast. It also works as a natural hair cleanser and helps unclog pores and hair follicles. Mix 2 cups of apple cider vinegar with 3 cups of cold water and use this mixture to resin your hair post shampooing. Let it sit for 2 minutes before washing it off. For best results, use this once a week. Lemon juice for dandruff works wonders. Known for its antifungal properties, coconut oil moisturizes a dry scalp and tackles itchiness like a pro. Plus, it nourishes your hair and boosts hair growth. For a potent anti-dandruff remedy, combine equal parts of coconut oil and lemon juice and massage on your scalp. Let it sit for 20 minutes before you wash your hair. Follow this dandruff treatment at home regularly for best results. Tea tree oil has long been used to treat dandruff, owing to its potent cleansing and antifungal properties. A classic anti-dandruff treatment, if we may say so. Add 6 drops of tea tree oil to half a cup of essential oil such as lavender and massage on your scalp to get rid of dandruff. You can also add a few drops to your regular shampoo to make it into a all-natural anti-dandruff shampoo. Olive oil for dandruff is a natural conditioner and minimizes oxidative damage owing to its antioxidant properties. This lightweight oil is effective on hair without weighing it down. The acidic properties of vinegar fights off fungal infections and improves blood circulation. Mix 1 tablespoon olive oil and 2 tablespoons white vinegar in a bowl of water. Apply this mixture on separate sections of your hair and massage the scalp for 5 minutes. Wash it off with a sulfate-free anti-dandruff shampoo and apply a conditioner. The lactic acid in yogurt helps reduce dandruff considerably. The antibacterial properties of this dandruff remedy will ensure that the protein in it strengthens hair from its roots. Rinse your hair with lukewarm water and towel dry it to get rid of dripping water. Apply a generous layer of fresh yogurt on the scalp and hair. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Wash it off with water. Salt absorbs excess oil or sebum that can otherwise clog pores and steer your scalp from turning into an oil extracting gland. Salt, when used in adequate amounts, can also help absorb extra moisture and defy fungal infection. Salt can be added to your usual hair wash. Squeeze a dollop of shampoo on your palm and add a pinch of salt to it. Apply this salt shampoo on your hair while massaging it onto your scalp in circular motions. Leave it on for 2 minutes and wash it off with lukewarm water. Dandruff flakes on your shoulder and clothes can be embarrassing, and one would give anything just to have dandruff-free hair. Regular hair spas might be the answer. What makes it such an effective anti-dandruff treatment is that with regular sessions, hair spa treatments remove pollution and toxins as well as maintain the scalp's oil balance. This helps in dandruff control. Besides, Treating dandruff, regular hair spa treatments makes hair healthy, smooth and shiny. Everything you want your tresses to be. This is why it is a good idea to make hair spas a part of your hair care routine, even when you get dandruff-free hair. If you don't feel like stepping out and going to a beauty parlor near you, then you can always book an appointment for hair spa at home. In a way, dandruff could be responsible for that sudden outbreak of pimples. When hair strands with dandruff come in contact with face, it can include pimples. Avoid haircuts or hair does that require your hair to be in constant touch with your forehead or cheeks. In cases of dry dandruff, stick to a warm coconut oil massage once a week to improve blood circulation to the scalp and reduce pimples. If you think your dandruff still persists, so no matter what you try, you could be suffering from seborrheic dermatitis. Visit a dermatologist to figure a hair dandruff treatment. You could also try Ayurvedic treatment for dandruff if you prefer the natural route. There are various medicines for dandruff that could work faster than home remedies. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys like it. If you enjoyed it by watching this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon if you like to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. I will see you soon with another new video. Till then, bye beauties.